Hi, so I want to start recording my screen. I want to show you guys how to make. I don't know what type of beat. I don't really know. I think I'm going to go for maybe a guitar. Those usual type beats. Let me set the BPM to around 140. Maybe I may change it later. We'll see. Let me try something here. Let me try to put this note to the other side. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to export, make sure it's in Cattell. I'm going to export this melody, bring it back in and try out a few semitones so that I can see where it sounds good. Yeah, I'm done with the whole beat. So there's some few things I added, some few things I removed. I added like this reverse melody. I got it from the main guitar melody. It's really dope. Let's listen to the whole beat. Yeah.